and a brilliant tip on how to pick the best things to draw. Don't worry, I'm not being arty-farty. I'm doing what a lot of artists do to help you frame how you want to draw a picture. You see, it works like this. If you hold your hands like this, you can look at things that you want to draw or paint and pick out the bit that you want to do. Now, I want to draw him. See, I just want to do the face, so let's see, where is he? There. If I just do this with my hands, I can frame it to see how it looks. In fact, a better way to do this is to cut out a frame out of a piece of card and use that. And you see, if your card is rectangle, it can also help you decide if you want your picture to be side on, like this. Now, this is called landscape, or tall, like this, and this is called portrait. So, should we do landscape or portrait? You know, I think landscape is best for this because it fits his whole head in. So, if I was going to draw him, I'd draw him landscape. Now, you can also use a frame a bit like looking through the viewfinder of a camera to help you focus on a small bit of your subject, like a bit of a picture. So, let's take this picture here. Now, it's quite messy, so I just want a bit of it. How about small frame there? Look at that. I think I'll frame it like that. Perfectly framed. And here's a good trick. You can even tape your card frame to a stick, like this lolly stick, and then pop it into some sticky tack or modelling clay. Just shove it in like that, and then position it so that it frames a good part of your subject that you want to draw, like this vase of flowers. And the idea is to stand it up and draw what you see through the frame. So I'm going to start with the middle section of the flower, because that's in the middle of my frame. Not too much detail at this stage. And I can see all the petals on this flower, so I'll start to put those in. And none of them are disappearing behind the frame. And using a frame like this really makes you focus on what it is you're trying to draw, just like a camera viewfinder. And it's quite dark behind the flower, so I need to put some darker shading in there. But you don't have to make the edge of the shading stop where the frame is. It looks good if you keep it quite sketchy. Good, isn't it? And it's so easy to do, and it really does help you pick out the bits or view that you want to draw or paint. And you can make lots of different size viewfinder frames, and the good thing is, you don't have to get all arty-farty. Try it yourself. Make a cardboard viewfinder frame.